Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the background is different, the balcony was open, like the light and the air is amazing. Like the weather in Hyderabad right now is so pleasant, it's so nice, and even my windows are open. I didn't want to like block everything in, so there's absolutely no artificial light. It's just the natural light that I'm filming this video. I wanted to try something new. But in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a Nykaa haul that I have been shopping in Nykaa. Nykaa recently had their pink sale. Nykaa always has some or the other sale. So these are the products that I got, and all of these are skincare, hair care and like home stuff. So let's get started. You want me, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. I think I'm gonna start with the home stuff because it's just hand washes. And all of them are from Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works hand washes. They are really amazing quality. And I feel like when you're washing your hands, I think that is the only place I kind of like to splurge a lot more. I know Bath & Body Works products are a little more expensive, but for that smell and the scent, I'm okay when it's coming to fragrance in my hands. Just to wash it off, it doesn't matter to me. So I ordered, they always have some of the other. First one that I ordered is the Bath & Body Works Peach Bellini. This is so pretty, like the packaging also is so aesthetic. It's like a very white and really cute, and the smell is amazing. It's really pretty. I think I shouldn't have applied gloss. So if there is some hair stuck on my gloss throughout the video, please ignore it. The wind is acting as a bad paying actor. But this is a one. Then I did pick up their white barn edition. This is the black cherry merlot. I love this smell. This fragrance is really amazing. I love it so much. So I bought two of these. Then we do have another one. This is also from their white barn collection. This is the white barn kitchen mandarin. Now this smells literally like lemons for me. So I thought I can use it in the kitchen because you know, it smells and it's appropriate. So I got this, and the last one that I picked up is the pink pineapple sunrise. Look how pretty it is. Like, look at this. It's so pretty, and this is like a normal cleansing gel hand wash. So this is not foaming. All of these are foaming. So this is the other one that I picked up. The air in this room is insane. But because I've ordered all of these and they crossed like a certain amount, there was something free, and they gave me the Nivea's Naturally Good Body Lotion. This is the lavender fragrance one. Now this, the packaging is very different. It literally says squeeze me and roll me up. Like, it's so gooey. I don't know. You never find such kind of products. Like, it's so right? Anyways, this is for dry skin. It has 50% less plastic. I don't know. I just use it like on a daily basis. Apart from that, I can't like review this. I don't know. But box number one is done. Alright, then we have loads and loads of skincare. The first one is the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Face Wash. Now this has a little bit of fragrance in it. However, for the price I'm paying, I feel like I wanted to try different Dot & Key products. The one product that caught my eye from Dot & Key was their sunscreens, the vitamin C as well as the watermelon cooling one. Because of those two, I really wanted to try Dot & Key. I think most of these are Dot & Key. And I got this. This has probiotics and 5 ceramides. It also has rice water. It has hyaluronic acid. So many things. This has a little bit of fragrance. Apart from that, I did get the matching set as well, like the face wash as well as the face cream. And this is the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Face Cream. Now this does not have any fragrances. So it's really good. It is for dry to very dry. It is for sensitive skin. It has rice water. It has hyaluronic acid. It has ceramides. It's fragrance free. The face wash has fragrance. However, the face cream doesn't have it. Next, I picked up another product from Cetaphil. Now this is the Cetaphil's. This is the 48 hours activation serum. Now this is their new launch. This is for optimal hydration. Now this is a non-stop 48 hours hydration intense boost of moisture to revitalize sensitive skin. It's dermatologically tested. all of that. This was very expensive. This was 750 rupees. And I've used it like once. It's like a clear formula like this. It has like a very little formula and I didn't feel anything. However, I do have to use it on a daily basis for me to like understand what it does and all of that. So that is what I ordered. Next product that I've ordered is from Simple. This is their ultralight moisturizer. This is like a literal drops. Like it's so cool. It has 24 hours hydration. It has matte effect. I've been using this product for like, I want to say like 10-15 days now. It's so cool. Like literally there's absolutely nothing and there's, can you see that? Like the product is like water and you just, it's like a moisturizer. It's so nice and you just apply it. The only thing is I would like to layer this product. I would not like to like just apply it and leave it. But during winter seasons, if you don't want that stickiness and all of that, I feel like this is an absolutely amazing product to use. And I feel like this is so effective. Like Simple products are supremely like smart as well, I feel. And this was for 299 rupees. So I feel like for 299, no fragrance, no bad products, no parabens, no sulfates, and getting like a moisturizer is absolutely amazing. Even like a lot of other moisturizers do have a little bit of fragrance in this range. So I feel like in this range, this is an absolutely amazing product to give it a shot. Then I have my very own trusted face oil that I use no matter what the season is, and that is the Minimalist Squalene. Now this is a face oil I've been using for years now. I don't know why this kind of works perfectly for me. It has squalene, it's a pure vegetarian squalene extract. It does have, it's non-comedogenic, it's for all skin types, it's really good. I use this moisturizer morning, day and night. No matter what the season is, I like using this. This is like my staple moisturizer with no fragrance and all of that. So I feel like I have liked this, the work of this product on my face, so love it. Then because I've ordered so many Dot & Keys, I did get their sample watermelon face wash free, but this is like a really cute travel site. Next up I have pimple patches, and those are from the house of Dermacol. These are their salicylic acid pimple patches. I got 2 of them, and I used to use the Noah pimple patches before and I couldn't find them online, so I picked these up. I cannot stop myself from dropping things. This says $5.99, but both together I got it for cheaper. There's a pimple right over here and I did use it in the night, so these are really good. Like pimple patches work for me, so I got these. Next I have the 10% niacinamide face serum. This is a really cool serum I wanted to try. I've never tried anything niacinamide or actives and all of that. I wanted to give it a shot. I do have 1 or 2 acne marks, not too much, so I want to give it a shot. I will be letting you guys know how it is and all of that, how it works and all of that. But this is what I got. I did get another serum. Now this is the 2% salicylic acid. Now this is for acne itself. Now this is for active acne. Like this one that I have, I can use this. This has witch hazel, willow bark. It has salicylic acid. You can use it in the morning and the night. They come with the droppers. You can just use them. Really cool. But these are the 2 like acne issues that I got. I don't usually get a lot of acne, but sometimes due to the water change or the weather change, my skin kind of gets triggered. So for them I've used these. Like these are really good. I wanted to give it a shot. I wanted to try actives really well to understand. Then I picked up the very famous glycolic acid from The Ordinary. Now this is one of the very famous. It's gone viral over TikTok, Instagram, Reels, everywhere possible. Now this, I actually got it for my brother, but it did not deliver in time. However, I am going to use it on my head because I do have a little bit of itchiness. And I don't have a lot of pigmentations anywhere, but I will be using it in the head because my head needs like a good acid washing kind of a thing. This is a 7% glycolic acid. It's a big tub, and this was for 950 rupees or 1250 rupees. Kind of expensive, but let's see whether it works or not. Like, you know, stay with me with the shots and you will find whether it works or not pretty soon. Okay, then we have a shampoo. Now this is the Biolarge Scalp Pure. Now this is for a dandruff shampoo. Like I don't have a lot of dandruff, however I do, my scalp tends to get a little itchy whenever the seasons are changing. And the shampoo that I've been using now is the L'Oreal's Hyaluronic Acid Shampoo, and I've been using it for more than 6 months, so I thought why not give it like a change and I can use it. So I ordered this. Now this was for 400 rupees. I didn't buy the conditioner. They do have a conditioner as well, but let's see whether it works or not. Like, let's figure it out. But stay tuned, you will get all these updates, you will just have to subscribe to my channel and find it out. Now coming to makeup products, I just have 3 makeup products, so let's get started. The first one is a foundation. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in this shade 310. Now this is like a basic squeezy tube. I wanted to try, this is a matte and poreless, it has SPF. I wanted to give it a shot just to try out, like, you know, I have a 330 shade and I feel like 330 is a tad bit darker for me and 310 is very light. I did try this, so I'm going to mix both of them and use it. But this is like a very travel friendly kind of a foundation, works for me. Then I have the e.l.f. Matte Magique Mist. Now this is something I really like. I love the spray over it. Like, can you see how effortless the spray is? Like, for the nozzle itself, I like to reapply this. Especially my setting sprays, I kind of get used, like they get used pretty fast for me. Like in a month I'll be done. I do apply a lot of setting spray when I'm doing the makeup because I like my makeup to sit so that, you know, it doesn't move and budge and all of that. And the last one, on the note of budging, I have the e.l.f.'s matte eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Cool Beans. It's so beautiful, like the packaging, it's like, look at that, it's stunning. I love it. It's this beautiful shade of, like, you know, maroony, cool toned brown is the perfect answer for it. Like, look at that shade. It's like, oh my god, it's stunning. I know eyeshadow sticks from e.l.f. do a really good work. So this is my first one. It does come with its own sharpener. Really love it, but these are very compact things. But that is all for the video. Those are the only things that I've ordered. Now that I'm looking, I feel like I've ordered way too many things, and I think for the next couple of months there won't be a lot of shopping and all of that because I'm trying to save up a little bit of money so that I can buy fancier things. But if you like such kind of haul videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.